Do you ever stand at the light bulb aisle and wonder what all those numbers and information on the packaging means? Today, we're going to enlighten you. Hi, I'm TJ with EcoElements. Today, we're going to talk about what's called the Kelvin Scale. This is the temperature scale that is attached to light bulbs. When you're in that aisle at the store looking at all that lighting and all those different colors that you see, every single one of those light bulbs has a different rating when it comes to the Kelvin scale. For example, this first light bulb that we're going to look at is what's called soft white. This is 2,700 degrees on the Kelvin scale. This is the same type of light that's going to come out of an incandescent bulb or the bulb Mr. Edison invented over 100 years ago. The second bulb we're going to look at here is what's called the bright white. This is 3,000 Kelvin. So as you can tell, it's almost like the soft white, but just a little bit brighter and not as yellow. The third light we're going to look at is what's called the daylight bulb. This is 5,000 on the Kelvin scale. The goal of this bulb is to mimic and mirror the light that you see from the sun. So in your house, if you have these two bulbs, you cast a little bit of a soft yellow glow on whatever that light bulb is putting light on, whether it be your kitchen or some paperwork that you're working on. This bulb, however, is not going to give you that yellowish hue. It's going to mirror or mimic whatever's outside. When we look at this information, it's very important when you're going through your house and essentially picking out what lighting you want to utilize. If I have one color in one room where, for example, this is very warm, and then one color in another room that this is very cool, you're going to end up having a different feel inside of each room of your home. Another thing that you need to take into consideration, this is typically for our wives. When you're doing your makeup under this light, and you go ahead and do that in the bathroom and then you walk outside, your makeup actually looks different when you get outside than it does inside of your home. So a lot of times daylight is going to be the best choice for that particular area, say for example your bathroom, so that when you do that, it looks the exact same when you get outside. There are multiple reasons why you would want to choose a different color over another. For some people, this daylight tends to be a little bit too high of a contrast for them, so a lot of times they'll settle right in the middle at a bright white. I hope this was illuminating. To find out more information about the Kelvin scale, check us out at ecoelementspro.com, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.